Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to play with some makeup. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys and I have some idea, but yeah, let's see what I can create for you guys. Today's video, I am also going to show you guys a newly launched contact lens. Personally, I am trying this out for the first time and I'm going to try it out in front of you guys. Recently purchased this contact lens. Thought of trying it out, showing it to you guys and giving you guys some kind of information so you guys can also go and purchase it. And this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. So yeah, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so before getting into this video, quickly I am going to wear my contact lenses and I am talking about this contact lens from PAC Cosmetics and this is what it looks like. This is in the shade turquoise and this is their one pair contact lens which costs for rupees 220. And as I can see in their website, they have pretty much different kind of colors. They have hazel, they have grey, they have honey, they have blue, they have green, different kind of colors. And here as I can see, they have like one pair and then they have 5 pair. So I think one pair costs for rupees 220 and 5 pair costs for rupees 900. Are one-time use only, and this is what their packaging looks like. Here you have the brand name which says PAC Cosmetics and here you have the shade name and here they have given the manufacturing date, the price and everything. So I think every information is given. Now I am just going to open this up and I am just going to show you guys how it actually looks like. Here I have the contact lens and this is what it looks like. I am so excited to try out this. Wow. I'm a person, I always use contact lenses to make makeup tutorials, and here as I can already see that they have mentioned that this is a single use contact lens. You can wear this daily. These are soft contact lenses and they have also mentioned their ingredients as well. I like to store my contact lens in this kind of packaging. Get this kind of contact lens case from Amazon and this is really cute. I know that. I'll make sure that your hands are super clean. Please go and wash your hand before using contact lenses. So this is what the contact lens actually looks like. Here as you can see, I think it is going to give me a very soft kind of effect. Let's see. Oh my god, this is not at all natural. Not bad actually, I will not say bad, but can you guys see the difference? Like, oh my god, I am a person, I really like soft kind of contact lenses, like which will give my eyes kind of a very soft effect. I'm looking like that villain from Jaane Dushman. I don't know, this is so funny. Guys, so I already used some concealer as my eyeshadow base, and for my eyeshadow palette today I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. I think they have discontinued this eyeshadow palette. Don't know why they just thought of discontinuing this beautiful eyeshadow palette right over here, which is exactly a Morphe eyeshadow palette dupe. Think I'm gonna go with some kind of matte smoky eye makeup look, something like that. Let's see what I can do. First shade, I am gonna go with this brown shade and this brown shade right over here, like this two shade, and I'm gonna use this all over my eyes, like all over my eyes, and because obviously I'm gonna make something smoky, so I am just gonna take a brush like this. This is from Jessup Cosmetics and this is their medium eyeshadow brush, 0 to medium eyeshadow brush. And this is like a flat brush. I'm going to take my eyeshadow and I'm going to use this all over my eyelid. It is going to look a little bit scary, but but after you blend out everything well, everything is going to look fine. Now I am going to take a brush like this. This one is their 10 small eyeshadow brush, and this is what it looks like. I am going to take this color right over here, this mauvey purple kind of color, and I am just going to blend out everything well. I'm just going to take this color and I'm going to quickly blend out everything right over here. I'm going to make circular motion and I am going to blend out everything well. Take a little bit of black and I'm gonna mix it with this mauve shade right over here, like right over here, just to give my crease some kind of definition. Eyeliner from Rimmel London, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna open this up and show it to you guys. This eyeliner looks really interesting, like really interesting, so I am just gonna use it for the first time and I'm gonna see what it looks. So I have a mixed feeling about this eyeliner. I don't know whether I really like this, but yeah, it's okay. If you want a very thin line, you can definitely go for this eyeliner. And I'm gonna take this black color right over here and I am just going to smudge out my eyeliner. What my eyes are looking right now after using eyelashes and everything. I know right now it's looking very incomplete because obviously I have to do my lower lash line and done my base makeup as well. After doing everything, I think everything is going to look better. For my foundation, I'm going to use this moisturizer, and this is from this brand called Nutriderma, and this is the vitamin E moisturizing lotion, and this is what it looks like. Currently I am using this moisturizer and trust me, this is really good. Winters maybe, but I really love this moisturizer. This is definitely thick, but I don't know, for winters maybe I like this moisturizer. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Essence foundation, and this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Matte Sand. So this is what my foundation is looking right now. This foundation is a matte foundation, but foundation actually give your skin this kind of like beautiful glow. So for my concealer, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer, medium beige, and I'm just going to use it underneath my eyes, here as well. Little bit over here, and I am going to use my brush from Jessup Cosmetics again. This is the 11 round finish brush. This brush is really good for blending your concealer, like really good. and I'm gonna take the same mauve shade. So then I'm gonna use my bronzer from LA Colors, and I'm gonna use a brush like this. I just like to use a fluffy brush like this to bronze up my skin. Then I am going to use a blush from this eyeshadow palette itself. I think I'm going to go with this two color right over here. Use a duo fiber brush like this. Slightly going to use the eyeshadow because it's too pigmented. Final step, I'm gonna use a highlighter from Glamaroma. This palette is so beautiful. Look at this palette. This is so beautiful. I just forgot to set my concealer, so I'm just gonna use this Rimmel London Stay Matte pressed powder. The final step is my lips, and I don't know what I should do with my lips. Should I go with a like basic nude color, or should I wear a red lipstick? I think red will be a very bad option. I don't know. So yeah guys, this is what my makeup is looking right now. I used this lip color right over here. This is from Maybelline. This is in the shade Toasted Brown. Very dark lip liner underneath, and after that I used this lipstick. The lip liner is like random lip liner, but yeah, this is what my makeup is looking right now. And to be very honest, I don't really like the contact lens. Like, I think it's too much for me, but rather than that, I am loving this makeup look. Like, everything turned pretty well. And yeah, this is what my makeup is looking right now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you create this look, then don't forget to tag me. I am gonna share it with everyone, and I'm gonna show everyone how you guys create such beautiful looks. So yeah, this is what my look is looking right now. Now I'm gonna take 100 pictures, and after that I'm gonna remove my makeup. Anyways, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this look. Don't forget to check out my description box below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video.